Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is carrot oil. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Do well to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified and be the first person to watch. So we are going to make use of this carrot, well washed and cleaned, and so we are going to grate it. Yes, so grate it very well. Please like this video, share this video for me, and leave a comment. Okay, so we are done grating, and the next thing we are going to do is you'll get a bottle, a very clean bottle, well sterilized, and it should be dry. And we are going to put in all our carrots, grated carrots. So the next thing we are going to do is to add our oil to it. I'm going to make use of olive oil. You can use coconut oil as well, and you have to pour the oil for it to cover the carrots. Let it cover the carrots. And one thing you can do is, after, you can cover and then leave it on your counter for 2 weeks, and just to get the carrot to infuse very well, you leave it for 2 weeks. Or another thing, or another method is also that just put water on fire and let it get hot, then place the bottle in it. Just open the bottle so that it doesn't explode. Okay, and then boil it. So I've done this for about 30 to 40 minutes, and I'm going to take it out of the water. Yes, and then we will allow it to cool down. Okay, so at this point, when it cools, you can decide to strain it and then store your oil. But what I'm going to do is, when it cools, I'm going to cover it with the lid, and I'll leave it on my counter for 3 days. So this is after 3 days. Yes, and so at this point, get a strainer or anything that can help you strain the oil very well, and then strain everything, get all the oil out. Carrot oil is very good for the skin, and it's very good for your hair as well. It helps to moisturize the skin. So dry skin, you need this, and aging skin too, it helps it. And it also helps the color of your skin. It also helps to calm the skin, and so use it for your dry hair as well, and you are going to love every bit of it. So give this recipe a try and you will not regret it. So after getting everything out, just get a very neat sterilized bottle that can help you store the oil, and pour everything in. So you are going to pour this, and then we'll cover, and then keep it. Use it whenever you want to. You can use it like that straight away on your skin, or you can add it to your pomade and apply it on your skin. You can also use the oil to cook. Yes, you can use the carrot oil to fry your eggs here and there. Use it to cook. You will love it. Okay, it's very good for the skin. It heals the skin, and you will love it. So give this a try, and when you do, give me a comment. Let me know how you are enjoying it. The smell or the fragrance, the smell is very nice. It smells so great because of the carrots. You are not going to have the smell of the olive oil. So if you don't like olive oil, the smell, if you use it for carrot oil, you will not feel it. You just get the sweetness of carrots in there. And so this is it. This is our carrot oil. I'm going to store it or leave it in on my room, on my dressing mirror, or wherever. Whenever I need it, I'll just use it. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like this video, share, and leave a comment. Bye bye.